Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some happy mail that I am sending to Cheryl. So we became really good friends after a swap, and now we just send each other goodies and fun stuff, and we're on this like Etsy shop journey together. So you know, I'm adding stuff to my Etsy shop and like some crafty goodies, and now she has her Etsy shop and she's been adding crafty goodies as well. So definitely check us both out. But let me show you guys what I am sending her in some happy mail. So we both started making rosettes and we have them in our shop, and Cheryl doesn't have a die though, so I am sending her a die. This is the Sizzix Thinlits Rosette die. This one has the 3 rosettes. So this is what it looks like, and I love these so much. I have one myself, and I thought I would give her one because I did, they were discontinuing this and I did buy an extra one. So I'm giving it to her, and then I'm also giving her this one, which is the Tim Holtz one as well, and this is a Rosette die as well. I just think that this one is going to cut through material. I have it as well, but I actually haven't tried it. But I am sending it over to Cheryl so she could also play with it and make some rosettes a little faster than she has been. So Cheryl, I hope this helps you out. I am also sending Cheryl the shoe that I had created. It's so cute and pink and gold. And I was going through my stash of things and I found like these stickers, and they're cats, which I know Cheryl loves her cat. And they're also mermaids, and I thought they were so cute. So I asked Cheryl, I was like, Cheryl, do you want these? Because like I was just gonna throw them out, but they're actually super cute, and maybe she wants to make some cards with them since she's been making some cards as well. So I thought those would be super fun, and you know, I can't fit too much in here, but I thought this was a nice way to gift her those in this cute little shoe. Here are some other handmade goodies I'm sending her. So I'm sending her these cotton candy embellishments, and I had made these and designed the file and everything, and I think they just look so cute. Definitely inspired by, I think it was Bits and Pieces. She created some cotton candy embellishments, and then I made my own file because she didn't have one to share. So then I just made my own. I also made this a lemonade, or I guess not lemonade, I don't know what this is, like a little drink shaker for Cheryl. And I put some glitter inside the baggie so it looks extra cute. But it is a super cute shaker, and I added some diamond dust here and on the straw and some of my rolled flowers. And I think it looks so cute. And then I know she loves the swan embellishments because I had gifted them to her in the first swap and the first package I ever sent to her, and she loved them. So I thought I would send her some more. And this one was her favorite one that she said was her favorite. So I decided to do the same colors that were her favorite. And then I don't know if you guys could see, but I did add some stickles on these 3 on this side here because I was playing around with it and I think it looks cute. So I am gifting her those embellishments that I had made for her. Then Cheryl also mentioned she likes the eyelash stickers from Hobby Lobby. And so I picked these up for her. This is all they had when I went, and I got some for her. I have no idea what she's making with these, but I was thinking, I don't know, maybe she's making some unicorn cards or something. Either way, whatever she uses them for, it's going to be super cute, and I'm tempted to go get some myself actually and try it out on some unicorn cards because that's exactly what I just thought of them, like a use for them right now. But I'm sending these over to Cheryl. I'm also sending her this little heart box. The heart container is from Michael's, and I had made all of these ribbon bows. They're so cute, guys. So I am sending her a whole bunch of these guys, and they're all in like different colors. There's 6 different colors in here. So I hope she loves them. They were so fun. I love them, guys, so much. I've been loving adding them to like my castle cards, which is what I use them for. I was originally gifted these kind of bows from Paper Bowl Lover from Nancy, and I've been using them, and she told me the ribbon she got, and I just figured out an easier way to kind of make them, and a little different than how she does them, but I just started making a whole bunch of them, and they're so cute, so I love them. So I'm sending this over to Cheryl as well. I haven't decided if I'm going to decorate this cover or not yet, like the top, because I want her to be able to use this, so I didn't really want this to have a cover in case she wants to put anything on top of it and just like stack it on something. So I'm thinking this one is just going to be like this. Then I know she loves these jemmies from Michaels, and she was running low, so I picked these up for her. They're like the glittery peachy pink, I guess, jemmies. I guess they're not peachy pink. I guess they look more peachy pink on camera, but maybe like a rose gold pink. But they're the glitter jemmies. And then I also saw these, and I thought these would be so fun, and I think she might like these. I picked some up for her and some for me, and I hope she likes them also. I thought these would be so cool to go on like some gingerbread house cards, because it kind of looks like a peppermint candy. They're so pretty, so I'm gifting those to her as well. Then I'm also gifting her some charms that I created, and I have these in my shop. So I have these set of 8 charms, and I designed them and everything, and I'm gifting them to Cheryl. I hope she likes them. I think they're so pretty, and I love like inspirational and motivational kind of like sayings. So I'm gifting those to her. And then I'm also gifting her this tassel charm that I had made with some seam binding and these beautiful beads. I love them so much, so I made this for her as well. I do also have it in my shop, but I did make this one for her. I am also gifting her some enamel dots, and I know she loves these ones so much. These are actually so hard to find. I keep looking for them and I cannot find them. So I had this one set for her, but I hope Tuesday morning brings it back, because I need to get some more for her, for me, get her some more. So I have this one set that I'm gifting to her. And then I found these ones at Hobby Lobby, and I thought she might like these ones as well, because they are also in different sizes. So I thought she might like these. Hopefully she does. I am also sending her some ribbon in case she wants to start making some of her own bows. These are from Hobby Lobby. It's the same ribbon that I used to make the super cute bows. And I thought, you know, she might want to have some fun with it too. So I'm gifting her some ribbon. So to hold the ribbon, I decided to create a popcorn cart. I also know that Cheryl doesn't have one displayed in her craft room. Like, she's created them from other people but hasn't gotten one. So I put the ribbon inside of here, and I created this cute little cart for her, bedazzled it, used some of her favorite glitter jemmies on here to decorate. I used some flowers that she actually gifted me. The sentiment gold sticker says "You are beautiful," and then this flower right here I got from Solo Crafts from Denise, and I added some lace. This little bow here I got from Paper Bow Lover, and I thought that looks cute here. And I actually used one of the charms that Cheryl gifted me as well, and it says magical. It's so cute. Then I added in some dingle dangles here, this cute little bead and a little lollipop. I love how this turned out, guys. I am obsessed. I love it. I want somebody to send me a popcorn cart. I haven't received one yet either, but it's so stinking cute. So I'm just gonna put that right here so you guys can look at it. Then I also made some flowers for her, and I put them into this cute little heart container, because I have these, and it's like an actual ornament. So it just opens up. I have this cute little tassel charm thing here. Some of these were from Kayla Crafts 830, but I took some out and added some other ones as well. And yeah, I just have some glittered rolled flowers here for Cheryl that she could use in some projects. Then I also decided to send over some diamond dust to her. Now this is just like the regular diamond dust. Let me show you guys. I'm not going to open it because I taped it off already. But it's just some diamond dust, and you get so much in this jar. So I was like, you know what? It's going to take me forever to use. So I will share some, and we've been talking about it anyway. So I thought this was a cute idea to do, and I'm repurposing a container that I have from Tuesday morning. It used to hold sequins, but I used up all those, and I just have a whole bunch of diamond dust in here for her. Cut out some letters, and I wrote diamond dust so that she knows what it is, and I decorated it a little bit. And then I have the spoon on like a pop dot here, so it just kind of stays in place. And I think that's really cute, so she could use the spoon and whatever. So I'm sending her that as well. Oh, let me put that here so it's in frame. Then I'm also sending her a box of goodies in here. This box I got in a swap, but I'm reusing it. And I love how this opens up. So it opens up like this. And inside of here, I just have some goodies for her. So I have these cute little heart, little like shaker pieces I got from Allie. And some stars as well. Some little stars, and I put them in the little baggies. And then I love using these, so I'm gifting her some gold hearts. And they're like puffy hearts. So they're super fun to use, and you guys will see how I used some in a project in a second that I made for her. Or like in decoration. So that's just living in here. And I love this little box, it's so cute. So I'm sending this to her with just a couple of goodies. All right, then I also have this box I finished decorating for her today. And this is just a box of beads, and I had painted this with some acrylic paint. And here's the little puffy hearts that I was talking about. And I just decorated this. It says dreams. I love how this looks, and I put friends are forever. And I stitched around it, making this a shaker with some swan paper background, even though you can't really see the swans so much. But I think it still looks so pretty. And then inside of here, I just have a whole bunch of beads for her. So hold on, I have this thing to kind of hold the beads in place, hopefully. And then here's a whole bunch of beads that I'm gifting her that she could use in crafty things. And then this one has like a whole bunch of charms, so some of the lollipops, some little ice creams, little star charms, these cute little heart ones, and then these little heart ones as well. They're so teeny tiny, but she could add them to projects and things, and then the rest is just beads. And I tried to coordinate them to some of her, you know, her favorite-ish colors, pinks and purples, and then a couple of like minty ones. But yeah, then I had this like scrap of foam, so I cut it down and pieced it together, but it's just there to hold this in place. I think I still might tape this up though on the sides, because the last time I sent her an embellishment box, it kind of fell apart in transit, so I'm hoping this one will stay put this time. And then the last thing I have is this little envelope that I just finished making for her today. And I laminated in everything. It looks just like regular, but it is laminated. And it's holographic. And I know she likes holographic, and it's pink. I have this bow here that was gifted to me by Solo Crafts, Denise. And I stuck that on here, added a little gemmy. Then this flower was gifted to me in an embellishment box. I don't know from who. That was a while ago. And then these two flowers were actually gifted to me from Cheryl. So Cheryl, if you're watching this and you want to totally send me more flowers in the next Happy Mail, feel free to send me these things again, because I love them. I just use them all up. And I wrote her name here, Cheryl, in some thickers. And then back here I just put best friends. I have a pink heart snap closure. And then inside of here, I just have like a letter that I wrote for her, and that just lives in there. So that is the cute little envelope that I created for her. And that's it, guys. That is everything that's going out to Cheryl. So I hope she loves it all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait for Cheryl to finally get this, and can't wait to see her little unboxing. So I hope you guys also enjoyed this video. Hope it gives you guys some ideas on what you guys could send in some Happy Mail. And that's it. So I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.